The JKING Electric Skateboard Model 350W delivers confident everyday performance with a brushless hub motor that provides smooth acceleration and a cruising speed that feels quick for short commutes or campus rides. Its lithium battery offers a practical balance of range and charge time, giving you several miles of riding after only a couple of hours plugged in, which suits quick trips and casual outings. The compact deck is built from durable, waterproof material with a grippy surface, so it feels stable underfoot while still being light enough to carry easily on stairs or public transit. Despite its small size, the board supports a respectable rider weight and maintains good stability, making it approachable for teenagers and adults who are newer to electric skateboards. The wireless remote is straightforward to learn, with multiple speed levels and responsive braking that help riders ease into electric skating without feeling overwhelmed. Because it can roll like a regular skateboard when the motor is not engaged and arrives ready to ride out of the box, it works well as a fun, low-maintenance gift for casual riders.